Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you activate two WhatsApp in one Android phone. So it is very easy to do that because nowadays most of the Android phones have dual apps features. So to turn on dual app features, just go to settings and search for dual apps, DUAL space apps. Now just click on the first option, dual apps. In the dual apps option, at first you will find a turn on option, so you need to turn it on. I have already turned it on. Now just click on WhatsApp from here and click on dual apps. Now after that, go back and just go where you can see all of your apps. Here you can see there are two WhatsApp here. You can just use two accounts in the two WhatsApp. Now just click the second WhatsApp. Now just click the bottom right after selecting your language. Click on agree and continue. Now just proceed giving your phone number, and after that you can just activate two WhatsApp account in one Android phone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.